Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, episode 16.2. In the previous episode on A Cruel Deed, we translated and analyzed from Hercules down through Erdrant. In this one, we will quickly review the translation and then go from Legati down through Pendebant. Hercules, now a young man, was living at Thebes. The king of Thebes, a cruel man, was named Creon. The Minii, a very warlike nation, was neighbors to the Thebans. Legati autem a miniis ad Thebanos quotanis mitabantur. He, Thebas, veniebant et centum boes postulabant. Thebani enim olim a miniis superdrati erdrant, tributa igitur regi miniardrum quotanis pendebant. Ambassadors, moreover, from the Minii to the Thebans every year were being sent. So ambassadors were sent from Minii to the Thebans each year. Legati is our subject, masculine plural nominative. Then we have autem, the conjunction, miniis, masculine plural, and ablative. And this is going to be an ablative of agency with the passive verb mitebantur. So we will call this ablativus agentis, the ablative of agent. Ad Thebanos, now these are the Thebans and not Thebes, so masculine plural and accusative. Remember, the place, Thebes, is feminine, Thebardrum, Thebis, but the people are masculine. And quotanis is an adverb meaning year by year or every year. These ones, he, meaning the ambassadors, legati, Thebas veniebant, they were coming to Thebes. Now, Thebes here is feminine plural and accusative. Remember that for the proper names of cities, towns, and small islands, proper names of cities, towns, and small islands, we go to the place without a preposition, we leave the place without a preposition, and we stay there without a preposition. So to stay there is locative, and to the place without a preposition is going to be in the accusative case. So these ones, the ambassadors, were coming to Thebes, and what else were they doing? Centum boes postulabant. They were demanding 100 head of cattle. So centum is a numeral. It is, moreover, a cardinal numeral, a counting number, and it does not decline. Boes is the object of postulabant, and it is feminine, plural, and accusative of bois, a third declension noun. Now, why were they doing this? Well, we're given the reason here with enim. For the Thebans once, by the Minii, by the Minians, had been conquered, superdrati erdrant. So this is going to be third plural, pluperfect, indicative, and passive. It is from the third conjugation verb, first conjugation verb, supero, superdardre, miniis here again, an ablative of agent. Therefore, igitur, tributa regi miniardrum, therefore, they were paying pendebant. Pendebant is also third plural, but it is imperfect, indicative, and it's active. So they were paying tribute, tributa. This is our neuter, plural accusative, direct object. We have regi as the masculine singular dative, indirect object, to the king of Minii, miniardrum, and they were doing that quotanis, year by year. Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.